Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically save your Instagram story to archive. So if you want to save your stories in a long time, you can archive it and you can set it so that your story will be automatically saved on your archive. So this is what you are going to do. You can just open your Instagram apps and then go to your profile. Click on your photo at the bottom right corner and go to the three lines icon at the top. And here you can just scroll down until you find this your app and media. Go to the archiving and downloading. And here you'll see there's this option saving to archive. So you need to enable this feature save story to archive. So it will automatically save photos and videos to your archive so you don't have to save them to your phone, but only you can see your archive. So you can just tap on the circles right here and it's done. So whenever you upload a story, it will also stored in your archive. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.